Hi guys, it's a very traffic day. So I just thought of making a video and discussing about investments. I've now done a video on fully about investments, but I just want to discuss to you all about investment. If you all are in your 20s or 30s or even in your 40s, please consider to invest. There are three, in my opinion, for my salary grade, there are three places I always invest back. I just want to share with you all that. The first place I always invest back is EPF, guys. EPF is the most low risk investment you can get. So whatever money you have, the additional monies, if you think you're not going to use it for a long time or for retirement, please reinvest back in EPF. And you'll be happy when you're 55 or 60 years old. Guaranteed. EPF is like almost guaranteed. So whatever additional income I get or what, I invest back in EPF, and today it's very nice to see the portfolio also growing beautifully. So your first investment should be EPF. Second thing will be maybe a bit risky, where I invest in crypto portfolio. So crypto portfolio is more to, I go for whichever Malaysia government has established and recognized, which is Luno. If you all have not registered, please check out the link. If you register in my portfolio and you buy 250 ringgit of Bitcoin, you will get, I think, about 25 ringgit of Bitcoin free or something like that. So just check out the link below, register there and download the app, and you can use it. Please support the channel also, guys. So Luno is recognized by Malaysia government. It's also listed, so you guys don't have to worry in investing. So that is a bit more riskier. It's not a bit more, it's very risky actually. So in Luno, it's not like you have $1,000, you're going to put 1,000 ringgit. For me, I feel like maybe 100 ringgit, 200 ringgit is okay. You invest small. If it bursts, then you make a very good profit. Next would be number 3, the most important, the one which I love, gold. Gold investment is very, very safe. And when you invest in gold, like in public gold, I'll also put the description down. When you invest in public gold, you buy online, but you can take out the gold physically, even 1 gram, guys. Even 1 gram, you can take it out physically. Can you imagine? So there's no scam or anything. Public gold, they have Munara Public Gold in KL. They have branches in all the states. You do not have to worry, guys. You do not have to worry. So you can just go to any public gold branch, and once you invest, let's say you have already invested 20 ringgit in the online account, you can just go and take out the gold for 20 ringgit. 20,000 ringgit. So I just say in public gold, you buy gold for 100 ringgit. You buy, you have about 10,000 or 1,000 ringgit. Now you want to take out gold, you can go to the branch and take it out. Very simple. Anything, you WhatsApp me, so I'll show you all more further detail. So that's public gold. These are 3 best investments where I always invest, and there's another investment that we should always invest is health. So for that, I buy vitamins in Amway. Amway is, so far, I think 20-30 years we were buying, and there's no problem. It's all listed under KKM and everything is very good. It is expensive, but for health, when you invest, please don't be calculative, because when health is gone, everything is gone. There's a very good saying. They say that when you're healthy, you have 1,000 problems. Car never pay, house never pay, every problem you'll have. But when your health goes down, that means, when you fall sick, there's no problem. Only one problem. Your sickness is the problem. So before you fall sick, guys, please take care of yourself. Invest in vitamins, even if it's not in my portfolio in MBA or what, you do not register. Don't worry, just buy vitamins. Vitamins are expensive nowadays because, people are more health conscious. But MBA is one of the, accredited and also certified under KKM. So if you all guys want to register, just register under the website in the description, and you can buy yourself. In MBA, the best part is if you buy anything above 200, let's say in Shopee, all this is shipping charges. So when you go direct to MBA and register on the website, anything you buy above 200 ringgit, which is sent to your house, is free shipping, guys. That is the beauty of MBA. So I hope you all consider what I say, the investment part and also this health part. And make sure put in the comments, guys, if you guys have other investments, maybe we can discuss. maybe I also can look into it. If it's a good portfolio, maybe I might be interested in, investing. And even vitamins, what are you guys taking, and is it good? Maybe you guys can share in the comment where we can discuss further. And also, please like and subscribe, guys. Please help me to grow this channel. Okay, and I just love doing this while driving. Usually when we drive, it's always thinking about things which is unnecessary, and driving itself is very stressful. But when I do these kind of videos, and I just feel so happy driving. Okay, so please support me, guys, and don't worry, I'm not holding anything. Everything is mounted in the car, so all the videos are just done effortlessly, and I just choose the subjects where I want to share with you guys, which will bring benefit to you all, and also bring benefit to me. And I want a channel where we can discuss a lot of things which is going around us. A lot of people are under depression nowadays because they are all lonely and don't know what to talk, and just come in the comments, and we can have a chit chat. Okay, guys, so thanks for supporting my videos, guys, and I love you all, and just thank you.